Hey, everybody, Economic Ninja here. I hope you're doing good. Hey, let's talk about the IRS and talk about taxes because I brought something's coming to light and I want to give you guys some information, and it's about the child tax credit and filing. And I want to save a lot of people a lot of heartache because who wants to be right here? Nobody even wants to be in this building. I don't even think the people that work there want to be in this building, quite frankly. But honestly, it's a big deal and I want to talk about it. And we're talking about the tax credit, and what's going on is the IRS is warning about some documents. Okay, so first off, 36 million people qualified and received the advance child tax credit. Okay, so again, just really briefly, I want to explain it is an advance on an already you would be receiving at the end of the year when you file your taxes, a child tax credit. But the government wanted to be able to make it available to many people, in this case, 36 million people, to give it to them ahead of time because they so desperately needed it during all of this craziness that's going on in the economy and with the unemployment situation. So now it's time to have to take credit for what you got for the child tax credit. So what's going on is a lot of people started complaining that the letter 6419 was not reflecting the correct amount of the child tax credit payments they received in 2021. So this is very, very important. I want people to understand that if you received a letter, and it says right here, some people were keeping an eye out for the IRS letter 6419 and the 6475, and now are discovering that a small number of them had an error in the amount. So the big deal is this: if you get a letter and you just file that along with your taxes, there can be a red flag that goes up, and then you're all of a sudden having to answer the IRS, even if it's their fault. And so I want people to be very cognizant and make sure that when you got the, you have the deposits in your bank, go back and check those and make sure that that form that the IRS sends you is correct. Because if, let's say it's too little, it's not enough, and you go say, hey, this is how much you're claiming that tax credit that you got, but you actually received more, the IRS knows that, even though this is their clerical mistake. And what I want to do is just save a lot of people a lot of heartache, because honestly, again, dang it, I always do that wrong. Who wants to be here? Who wants to talk to these guys? I mean, come on, it's no fun at all. And I don't want to see people go through that. So I just wanted to make this really clear, really quick video. Now, here are a couple things real quick too. If you suspect there's a discrepancy on your letter 6419, access the irs.gov account through the IRS CTC portal, according to somebody that thinks they know a lot. But it's actually really easy. You just need to go back into your bank account, show, the one where they actually deposited the money, and go see, or the check that you received, and actually make sure that that document is correct. It doesn't hurt to go onto the portal. I've used it before, and to be able to go in and see what they're saying, making sure there's no discrepancy, because when you go onto that portal, whatever number's there is what their computer is going to read when you file your taxes, either electronically or long form. Eventually it's going to get there, and they're going to throw a bing, red flag. They're trying to cheat us, and you know how that all goes. So I just wanted to save you guys. So if you guys know anybody, please share the video with people that did get the child tax credit in advance. And I hope you guys have a great time. Tax season's never any fun, especially for me. So with that being said, the Economic Ninja is out.